Hey guys, it is me Stace. I am back again today with another Cricut video. We're also doing our Make It on Monday project, and today we're making this really simple thank you card. You can see the front, it says thanks a bajillion. This is all using the Cricut markers, and then we have the inside there. Alright, let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on sign in. On this page, we are going to go down until we reach cards and then click on view all. Now we're going to find the card we want to make, which is this one here. It's called Thanks a Bajillion card. Click on that. It'll bring up a preview screen. Click on customize. Alright, so we have the card and we also have the envelope. I'm going to go ahead and take my mouse across all the images, right click and choose group. I do want to resize the card. So since there's an envelope included, I want to resize the envelope as well. Left-hand side toolbar, we're going to click on Shapes. I'm going to click on a square. Bring the square over, have it selected. Top toolbar where the size is, we're going to unlock the lock. Make the width here be 8.5. And the height is going to be 5.5. I'm going to bring this over and I'm going to line up this top left-hand corner with the top left-hand corner of the blue. Just like that. Click on this piece and then use the arrow keys to bring it in smaller. Okay, so now roughly our card is about 8.5 by 5.5. I'm going to right click on the grouping again, choose ungroup, click on the card piece and choose ungroup. I'm going to resize this piece because I do want to create a mat for my card. So on this piece, I'm going to resize it again. Again, have the lock unlocked. We're making the width here be 4 inches. And the height is going to be 5.25. I'm going to bring this over. I'm going to right click on it and choose send to front. I'm going to line it up on the front of the card and then bring this piece over. Right click and choose send to front. And then just resize it so that'll fit inside the mat like that. Okay? So now we can delete this piece. We no longer need that. Upper right hand corner, click on Make It. So you'll need a piece of white cardstock along with the Cricut markers, whatever color you choose for the envelope, and a piece for the card base. I'm going to click on Continue, cut it out, go to the table, and we'll put our card together. Alright guys, we are back. Everything went ahead and cut out. I'm going to go ahead and finger press on my envelope. I'm going to take my bone folder to give that a better crease. Okay, now we're going to take our flaps, put glue on those. I think I'll just use my ATG gun here. I do recommend a stronger adhesive if you're going to be mailing this card out. Alright, so our envelope is done. We can set that aside. Now we have the card base. Finger press that square mark. Alright, now I mentioned that I wanted to create a mat, so I just used my trimmer to cut out a piece of pink. This piece measures 4 by 5.25. Same size for the white, this is for the inside. So we'll go on the back of this one. Layer this on the front of the card. Okay, just like that. You can of course use pattern paper if you want to. Put glue on the inside, or this piece on the inside. And then for the outside piece, I'm going to pop that up. So I'm going to flip it over, grab some foam squares. I'm going to do one in each corner, and then one in the center as well. Really simple card. Give them a squish, take the backing off, and we are done. Okay. Let's put that right in the front, like that, so it pops up. Then a super cute little card. Love the dimension it goes and how simple it is. I'm going to take that, plop it in our envelope, and you can see because we grouped everything together before we resized it, the envelope is the same, the envelope will fit. So we have the card and the envelope. Alright guys, there you have it, our Make It on Monday project. Really simple. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.